Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these flower granny squares. They measure about 4 inches by 4 inches if you use an F hook. I used medium worsted yarn. If you like to go larger, use a larger hook, thicker yarn. And the written pattern is listed down below. Okay, so let's get started. Slip knot onto your hook and start with a chain 5. And then slip stitch in the beginning chain to create a ring, and then chain 1, and then work 12 double crochet in the ring. So this is your first one, 2, and then continue on until you have 12 all together inside the ring. To start the next round, you're going to add your new color. So insert your hook on top of the chain 3 and grab your new color with a slip knot of the new color. Pull it through, and then you can tighten all your ends. Now chain 3, and then you're going to 2 treble crochet together, yarn over twice, but insert your hook, yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then leave 2 loops on the hook, yarn over twice for a treble, 2 together, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook to complete, and then chain 3. And then you're going to do 3 treble crochet together into the next. That's the pattern. So yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leave 2 loops on the hook, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through, or yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, and you'll have 4 loops on the hook, and yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook to complete your 3 treble crochet together. Chain 3, and then just repeat that. So this is 3 treble crochet together. Chain 3, and then repeat that around treble crochet together until you get to. Now you're going to work the border, and then you're going to slip knot onto your hook after you insert your hook into the center of that 3 treble crochet together. Grab the slip knot of the new color, pull it through, and then you're going to start with a slip stitch into the chain 3, and then you're going to work a chain 3, counts as a double crochet, then work 2 double crochet in that same space. Then you're going to work a treble crochet 3 times in the chain 3 space. So treble crochet 3 times. This will create the corner. And then chain 2, and then work 3 treble crochet again, all in the same chain 3 space. So that's 1, and then 2, That completes that corner. Then 3 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. And then 3 double crochet in the next chain 3 space. And then you're going to work another corner, which is 3 treble crochet in the next space with a chain 2, and then 3 treble crochet again in the same space. Work 3 double crochet in the next space, and then work 3 double crochet in the next space, and then that's the pattern. You're almost done. Work another corner with 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet in the same space. Now work 3 double crochet in the next space, and 3 double crochet into the next space. Now you're going to work a corner with 3 treble, chain 2, 3 treble crochet, and then 3 double crochet in that last one, and just work that, and that will complete your square, and I'll meet you back to the very beginning. Now you're at the beginning after you did your corner and your 3 double crochet. Now you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3. And you can chain 1 and pull through, or just start weaving in your ends from there. Now all of your ends, you're just going to take a yarn needle and weave in all your ends, and then this granny square is complete. So as a reminder, I used an F hook. It was 4 inches by 4 inches. You can make it bigger. The written pattern is down below if you need written instructions. And this is how you complete this pattern. You're going to weave it in and out on the back side at least 3 or so times, so it's hidden and fastened off and secure in the end, or on the back side. Okay, well thank you for watching and please subscribe.